Working at a recovery-friendly environment, what it means for me is there's some understanding. As a person in recovery, I don't have to have the feelings of shame, and I could be open with what's going on, and they're supportive when I need them to be supportive.
I think it means being sensitive and inclusive of people who are in recovery and have lived experience of addiction.
As a person in long-term recovery, I know that McCall's going to accept me as I am.
It's a beautiful way to acknowledge the employees, the staff that work within the company, and to honor what it means to be a recovering individual, working in a place that embraces that identity as a whole.
Being sort of on the forefront of this field with embracing the multiple pathways of recovery makes it easier and make a lot of sense for McCall to be a recovery-friendly workplace, not just in name but also in action.
We see recovery as something to celebrate, that it's a unique strength, that there's a perspective that comes from lived experience that enhances the culture and brings a diversity of thought to the workplace. So that's something that we really worked on from a human resource and policy and procedure perspective to make sure that we're intentional about recruiting folks in recovery, as well as making sure that we have those policies in place to make sure that it is safe and supportive for folks in recovery to be able to be here and be integral parts of our team.
When somebody decides, hey, I want my company to become certified as recovery friendly, I walk them through what that looks like for them. Just like people's recoveries, they're unique to them. The recovery process for agencies can also be unique.
As a supervisor, I just really want to make sure that my team has doing their own self-care to make sure that they're taking care of themselves so they can be refreshed and focused on to helping others.
So as a person in recovery, I attend meetings. I work on my recovery when I'm not at work, and I'm a 12-step guy for the most part. And there's times where I have commitments with outside groups, and if I have to adjust my schedule, they've been more than willing and fully understanding without any judgment passed upon me. And that's not something you find everywhere.
Addiction is so isolating in and of itself. So the solution to that is to make people feel like they belong.
The culture of McCall is very family oriented. They truly make me feel like an individual, not just as an employee.
McCall's in the business of recovery, and in many ways, McCall's culture has enhanced my own recovery.
People here actually care. They're friendly, they're open, they're honest, and they're willing to guide you.
And they get me. And sometimes I don't even get me, but they do.
You know, you need the support of everybody. It's not a I thing, it's a we thing, right? And whether it's biological family, family by choice, work family, it takes a village.